If you want to remove people from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first we need to open the gallery, and then we want to open the photo that we wish to edit. In here, we're gonna tap on this pen button at the bottom of the screen. In here, we should be able to now go to these 4 circles, and then here we have the object eraser. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. You might get some suggestions for what to erase. In my case, I didn't get them. So now we just have to draw a shape around all the people that we have in here that we want to remove. There we go. We should be able to keep selecting one by one. There we go. Let's select this person in here as well. And there's also this person here. And that person here on the back. All right. Now, once we select everyone, we can tap on erase. You can, of course, do this individually, I mean, one by one as well. We can, for example, select one person and then erase and then another one and so on. But that works too. We can just select everyone and then erase. And in case there is something left after removing people, you can try to select that area in here. And you can try to fix it by using the erase option. So let's say I don't like how this part looks like, I can try to erase it to fix it. And of course, if it doesn't look that well afterward, then you can still revert that change. Once you are done with the customization, you should be able to tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. And then we can save our photo, or if you want to keep the original one, we can tap on these 3 dots here in the upper right corner and we can choose Save Copy. So this one is going to be saved separately. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.